Hey everyone, it's Michelle for Afro Expats, soon to be Expat Life Mexico. I am going to be rebranding myself. Afro Expats will still exist. You'll still find it on YouTube under that name, but I am going to be launching Expat Life Mexico, hopefully in January of 2022, and that will have kind of similar information, but what I'm adding to that repertoire is this house, which is now going to be Casa Elm, which stands for Expat Life Mexico. I'm super excited about it. I've really put together a lot of different things that I'm trying to do in the next year, in the new year. And in doing that, I feel very blessed and grateful that I was able to acquire this space and create a guest house here. I'm still working out exactly what all the details are. If I look tired, it's because I really am. I've been running around. It was in the works really for a very short time. And in saying that, it's completely empty and I am in the process of doing some things, fixing it up. It's a great space here in San Miguel. It's not in Central. It's located in the neighborhood's called Los Frailes. And there's lots to do. So today I had my refrigerator delivered. Yesterday I had the washing machine and dryer delivered. Look at that cool refrigerator. I have stuff that I've been dragging back and forth from Querétaro and just looking for things to put in here. So I'm just really grateful, and I'm dropping this really short video. I will do a better tour of the space. This is the backyard, but I'm gonna do a better tour of everything when I get a chance. It really needs to be deep cleaned and all these other wonderful things, but this is pretty much it in its raw form on the first floor. Much more information to come, so stay tuned. If you have questions or ideas about, what kind of groups I can bring here, feel free to drop them in the comments box. And as usual, thank you guys always for supporting this channel, for subscribing, for being just amazing. I truly appreciate it, and I'm gonna get back to work. So we'll be checking back in. I'll check back in periodically. I won't promise a time frame because I know I'm pretty swamped right now. All right, we'll do some before and afters as well, but I got a lot of work to do. So hasta luego. I'm hoping to have this up and running by Christmas. Ciao.